Biology professor Isaac Skromne is a development biologist who uses zebrafish in his research related to bone disease and the central nervous system. His areas of expertise include development, genetics, and neuroscience. Isaac, thanks so much for sitting down with me today.
Thank you, my pleasure.
So, in a nutshell, what is development biology?
Development biology is the biology of time, is the biology of change. We tend to think of development biology as how embryos develop from a fertilized cell, which is something amazing, but it also includes senescence, which is getting older. It also includes stem cell research, which is very popular nowadays. And if we think of cancer are differentiated cells that are trying to become embryonic again. So that includes development biology.
One area of your research focuses on bone disease. What are you trying to learn there?
This project on bone disease came from the collaboration with a chemist. Just came over and said, why don't you try these compounds on zebrafish? Let's see what happens. Turns out that they bind to bones, and there are really very few compounds that can directly go to bones. So we're thinking perhaps we can use this to develop a method to target drugs to bones without affecting the rest of the organism. This would be important for osteoporosis, where we want to stimulate growth without affecting other tissues, so we can stop progression of the disease.
So why zebrafish? Why are they important in your research?
Zebrafish are a fantastic animal system to study development biology because the embryos are transparent. So we can really look inside, see what's happening to all the cells and all the systems as they form. In addition, we have fantastic genetic and molecular biology tools, genomics, and we're also starting to do gene editing in zebrafish. So lots of potential there.
How do you engage your students in the research that you do?
That's my favorite part, seeing that eureka moment when the students discover something new, something perhaps that no one has done before. That's really incredible. In the beginning, I take them by the hand, and then as they grow up as scientists, they can start becoming producers of knowledge. The caliber of students here is fantastic. When I was interviewing for the position, many of the students I was interacting with had to excuse themselves to go and check on their experiments. That type of motivation I rarely see in undergraduate education. So having the opportunity to work with talented people like the students we have here, it's really great.
Well, Isaac, we're really pleased that you're here with us. I've known a lot about you from the great work you've been doing, but it's great to sit down with you and learn even more. Thank you.